A group of people were asked if they had run a red light in the last year. 423 responded yes, and 211 responded no. We want to find the probability that if a person is chosen at random, that they have run a red light in the last year. The probability of an event is equal to the favorable number of outcomes divided by the total number of outcomes. So in this case, the total number of outcomes is equal to the total number of people surveyed, meaning the people that answered yes or no, which would be 423 plus 211, which is equal to 634. Of the 634 surveyed, 423 responded they did run a red light, and 211 responded they did not run a red light. And therefore, the probability that someone chosen at random ran a red light in the last year is equal to the number of people that answered yes, which is 423, divided by the total number of people surveyed, which is 634. Now we are asked to express our probability as a fraction or decimal. If we do express it as a fraction, we do want to make sure the fraction is in simplified form. This is a fairly challenging fraction to simplify, so let's see if this is simplified using the calculator. To do this, we'll perform this division, 423 divided by 634. This will give us a decimal, which we'll come back to, but now if we convert this back to a fraction, it will be given in simplified form. So if we press Math, Enter, Enter, notice how it gives us back the original fraction, which tells us this fraction is in simplified form. Let's also give this as a rounded decimal. Let's round to 4 decimal places. Notice how this would be approximately 0.6672 because the 9 indicates we round up. So this is approximately equal to 0.6692. Even though it doesn't ask, let's also give this as a percentage. This would be equal to 66.92%. So the fraction value is exact, but the decimal and percentage are both rounded approximations. I hope you found this helpful.